Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your ICSEE camera. First, download the ICSEE app from your phone's app store. Once installed, open the app and either create a new account or log in if you already have one. Next, power on your ICSEE camera. Wait for a few moments until its indicator light starts flashing, which signals it's ready for connection. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth setup process. Now, let's connect your camera to your Wi-Fi network. In the ICSEE app, tap the plus icon, usually found in the top right corner, to add a new device. Select Add My Camera and then choose the Wi-Fi camera option. The app will guide you to enter your Wi-Fi network name and password. Ensure your phone is connected to the same 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network that your camera will use for optimal performance. After entering your Wi-Fi details, the app will prompt you to scan a QR code. Locate the QR code on your ICSEE camera and hold your phone's camera over it. The camera will then connect and confirm successful pairing with an audible prompt. Once connected, you can name your camera. Finally, choose a secure and strategic location for your camera, ensuring it has a clear field of view and is within range of your Wi-Fi signal. With your ICSEE camera set up, explore its advanced features. You can adjust motion detection sensitivity, set up specific alert zones, and customize notification preferences. Consider setting up cloud storage for secure video backups or inserting an SD card for local recording. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Regularly update your camera's firmware for the best security and performance. Enjoy enhanced home monitoring.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.